How to fix Vanguard requiring TPM version 2.0 and Uefi secure boot to be enabled in order to play. Follow me, restart your PC, go to BIOS, press delete repeatedly, select Settings, Security, Trusted Computing, select Security Device Support, and change to Enabled. Go to Search, type SVM mode, and change to Enabled. Type Secure Boot and change to Enabled. Click Exit and click Yes for reboot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more computer tutorials, and feel free to leave your questions in the comments below.